New York City, a metropolis that never sleeps, is home to one of the oldest and most extensive subway systems in the world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of subway architecture, exploring the renovation of some of the city's oldest stations and the design of the newest ones. The New York City subway system opened its doors in 1904, with stations that reflected the architectural styles of the early 20th century. These stations were adorned with ceramic tiles, wrought iron, and intricate mosaics, showcasing the Beaux-Arts and Romanesque revival styles. However, over the decades, these once grand stations have aged. The city's Department of Transportation has embarked on numerous renovation projects to restore these historic landmarks while integrating modern amenities. Architects involved in these projects face the challenge of preserving the original charm and historical significance of these stations while ensuring they meet contemporary standards. Renovations often include restoring original tiles, improving lighting, and making stations more accessible. We're not just preserving history, we're reimagining these spaces to serve the city's future needs. It's about blending the old with the new seamlessly. On the other hand, the latest additions to the subway system showcase cutting-edge design and technology. Stations like the Hudson Yards and the Fulton Center are masterpieces of modern architecture. With sleek designs, expansive glass structures, and state-of-the-art facilities, these stations are a testament to how far we've come. Hudson Yards, with its open, airy design and natural light, provides a stark contrast to the older, more enclosed stations. The Fulton Center, a hub of connectivity, features a striking oculus that brings in daylight, creating a sense of openness and space rarely seen in underground stations. The new stations are incredible. They're clean, well-lit, and easy to navigate. It's a whole new experience. From the ornate designs of the early 1900s to the sleek modern structures of today, New York City's subway stations tell a story of architectural evolution. As we continue to innovate and adapt, one thing remains constant. The subway is the lifeblood of the city, connecting millions of New Yorkers to the rhythm of the metropolis. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world's most fascinating architecture.